If you're looking for an easy way to streamline your contract staffing process, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Top Echelon for contract staffing, and I'm going to give you everything you need to know to get started quickly. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to use Top Echelon efficiently, but also get access to an exclusive bonus that will help you start using it for free. Top Echelon is an online recruiting software designed to help businesses and staffing agencies streamline their recruiting process. It's perfect for anyone looking to manage contract staffing and placements more efficiently, and its tools help you automate the entire process, making it easier to manage both clients and candidates. What makes Top Echelon stand out for contract staffing is how it integrates networking, job orders, and candidate management all in one platform. Once you sign up for Top Echelon, the first thing you'll notice is how easy it is to get started. You'll want to input all your current job orders into the system. This is crucial because Top Echelon makes it incredibly easy to track the progress of your job orders, communicate with clients and candidates, and store all your important information securely. Managing job orders is simple. Once entered, you can track every stage of the process, from submission to placement, keeping both your candidates and clients in the loop. And the best part? Top Echelon automates many of these tasks, so you don't have to spend hours manually updating job statuses. This will save you tons of time and energy. The software also allows you to quickly create and manage a pipeline of potential candidates. You can search for candidates by skills, qualifications, and availability, and automatically match them to your open job orders. This is where Top Echelon really shines for contract staffing. It helps you quickly identify the best fit for your clients, ensuring faster placements and better outcomes. For those managing a team, Top Echelon also offers powerful collaboration tools. You can share candidate profiles, communicate with your team members in real time, and even track each member's progress on specific job orders. The communication features are top-notch, making it easy to keep everyone on the same page. Now, let's talk about how Top Echelon simplifies the contract staffing process from the candidate side. The software allows you to maintain a comprehensive database of all your contract staff, including contract start and end dates, payment terms, and other crucial details. This ensures that you can easily manage both the operational side of your contract staffing and the financial aspect too. Another key feature that will help you with contract staffing is the ability to set up automated reminders for both candidates and clients. For example, you can set reminders for interviews, follow-ups, or contract renewals. These reminders keep everything running smoothly and ensure you never miss an important step in the contract staffing process. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Top Echelon for contract staffing. But before you go, don't forget that we've partnered with Top Echelon to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial so you can start exploring all these features for yourself without any risk. You can access this free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Top Echelon is the perfect tool to help you optimize your contract staffing process. It simplifies everything from job order tracking to candidate management, making your staffing process faster and more efficient. And don't forget, if you want to get started for free, make sure to use our exclusive link below for an extended trial. Thanks for watching.